Hi friends, this is Shahrukh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all doing great. Today I am going to share my review on a book, Attitude is Everything. This book is all about to improve our mindset and personality development. This book can clearly explain to you that how attitude is change anyone's life. That is why this book tagline is also change your attitude, change your life. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel. I want your support guys. Without any delay, now let's start the video. Attitude is Everything. Book written by Jeff Keller. One night he saw an advertisement in television about mental health course called Mental Bank. He took and completed that course. After completing that course, he started learning about attitude and personality development. After learning so many things, he left his job and he became a motivational speaker. He gained knowledge about attitude and started giving presentations about attitude and motivation. This book is divided into 3 parts. Success begins in the mind, watchwords, and heaven helps who those acts. In the first chapter, I understand we need to open our window to grab the opportunity. We need to understand how we need to take the situation in a positive way. He explained by an example of his life experience. We can learn about thinking ability, how it should be. We become what we think about. Our thoughts determine our actions. It's true, and we all know that too. In this chapter, he will share how we need to change our thinking and how we need to start our morning, how we need to plan a morning routine. He shared in this book, everyday morning, read some positivity book and listen any literature. Find 15 to 20 minutes to do this. Listen to motivational audios everyday morning. In that next chapter, he will say about imagination, how and what we need to imagine, how mental movies from childhood affects anyone. We need to take responsibility for our mental pictures. All are constantly generating mental movies based on our relationships, career expectations, and other events. No matter what the source of our imagination, you and only you are in control of our own movies. And we can learn what is commitment in this next chapter, which I like the most. We can learn the magic of commitment. Being committed is very different from being interested. If we are committed, we will do at any cost, no matter what. And we can learn about how to turn problems into opportunities, how adversity serves us. You see, a problem is often not a problem. It actually may be an opportunity without problem. For example, someone lost a job and then went on to start a successful business. Here, we need an attitude towards the problem to turn into opportunities. And some of the most important points we need to learn is never discuss your goals with negative people. They have no goals or dreams, and they don't want anyone else to success either. And the next part of the book is watch our words. Words will influence our subconscious mind. What we are talking is very, very important. We need to do positive self-talk with ourselves and others too. If someone asks, how are you? What do you say? We need to respond positively, no matter how you are. Just like I'm terrific, fantastic, great, excellent. And after that, we can learn about how association is important. Join the positive group. Our association will definitely lead us through success or failure. And we need to choose our friends wisely. Association is very important, so we need to associate with positive people. Stop complaining. It's been said that 90% of people don't care about your problems and other 10% are glad you have them. So we need to stop complaining and start looking positive thing. If you want to become successful, you must be willing to uncomfortable. This is absolutely true. We need to come out of fear and that comfort zone to become successful. Nobody will get success overnight. It's take time. Patience and consistency is very important. And never give up, no matter what. Jeff explained by some examples of successful stories. At the last, he said about networking, how we need to do and how it helps. Attitude is also a part of developing our personality. It's very important how our attitude is need to be. Attitude is everything, absolutely right. This book will help in your lives in so many situations, from how to build a positive relationship to with what kind of attitude we can achieve success. These are the things which I want to share from this video, that what I learned from this book. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please support me. We will meet in another video.